Assalamualaikum and hi. Today, me and my group mates would like to present the business model canvas for topic 1, which is pineapple. We decided to choose pineapple jam as the product for our presentation. As we can see here, there are important elements in BMC. It is value proposition, key partners, key resource, key activities, customer relationship, channels, customer segments, cost structure and revenue system. Now, we are going to the first part, which is my part, value proposition. First, let's talk about natural and original flavor. Our pineapple jam is crafted from the freshest, ripest pineapples, hand-picked for their sweetness and rich tropical taste. No artificial flavor or preservation, just the pure authentic pineapple goodness. We believe in using only premium high quality ingredients. In every jar is made with care, combining the finest pineapple with just the right balance of sugar and natural pectin to create a jam that's smooth, rich and bursting with flavor. It's the kind of quality you can taste in every spoonful. We are also believe in nutritional transparency. Our labels are clean and simple because we want you to know exactly what you are putting on your plate. With clear, easy to understand ingredients, you can enjoy our pineapple jam with complete peace of mind. And because we care about the world around us, we commit to sustainability and ethical practice. From supporting local farmers to using eco-friendly packaging, we are working hard to make sure that every jar of pineapple jam not only tastes good, but does good too. So, when you choose our pineapple jam, you are choosing a product that is authentic, high quality, and transparent as you are. It's not just about spreading jam, it's about spreading joy naturally.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Farhana binti Muhammad Nasir and my metric number is F22B0272. So I will be presenting about key partners and also key resources. So for key partners, we have raw material partners, which is primary supplies. So for example, is how we process the pineapple. So we need to find the suppliers, like the companies, like what they provide, why are we became a partner with them, and then the arrangement. And then for primary supplies, for pineapple is sugar supplies and then packaging suppliers. So these are the important things that we have to decide in order to make the pineapple jam. And then secondly is technical support partners, which is quality assurance. This is like food testing laboratory and then equipment maintenance service. So we need to test every product that we make so that we know we can produce it and it is safe for the consumers to consume it. And for the equipment maintenance service is like to ensure the equipment reliability and then to do the preventive maintenance and emergency repairs. And then the third one is distribution partners like market access. We need to know the retail chains and then the food service distributors. We need to know with whom are we going to do the market, and like we need to know what are they going to provide to the consumers. And then for example, for the retail chains, we supply to the supermarkets or like specialty food stores. And then for food service distributors, we can access to commercial customers, and then we can reach like hotels, restaurants and bakeries. And then the benefit is bulk sales opportunity. And then for the last one is regulatory partners, which is compliance support. So for this one is food safety consultants and certification bodies. So we need to make sure that the food safety meets the guidance. We need to know that the food that we are making is meeting the food safety standards. And then when it comes to the certification, we need to have the official recognition of standards so that other people trust our product, so they will buy. Okay, for the next one is key resources. So the first one is critical production resources. It is about must-have equipment. For example, like industrial cooking kettles. And what is the purpose? So it is for cooking and then sterilizing the jam mixture. And then secondly is pulping and crushing machine. It is for processing pineapple byproducts into pulp. And then it is essential for proper texture and consistency. And then the third one is sterilization unit. This is for sterilizing jars and ensuring product safety. It is critical for food safety and shelf life. And the last one is pH meter and Briggs refractometer. This is for quality control testing, and it is essential for consistent product quality. Okay, for the second one is essential human resources. We have a core production team like food production supervisor. This is for oversee the production process and quality. and to ensure the consistent of the product quality and safety. For the skills that they need is food processing experience and HACCP trained. And then the second one is production workers, like 3 to 4 workers. This is for operating equipment and packaging to minimum needed for production line. So what the skills that they need is food handling certification and then basic equipment operations. And then quality control technician. This is for product testing and quality assurance to ensure the food safety and consistency. And the skill that they need is are food science background or quality control experience. And then the third one is critical intellectual property, so food safety systems and recipe and process documentation. So why we say that food safety system is important? For example, HACCP certification. So this is for food safety compliance, and this is a legal requirement for food production. And then for recipe and process documentation, it is for standardization of production and to ensure the consistent of product quality. And the elements are detailed recipes and then processing parameters. Okay, the last one is essential facilities. This is like production space. So for example, processing area and then the storage area. So for processing area, it is for main production operations, and the requirement is food grade facility or proper drainage. So both of these are important, and we need to have the easy to clean surfaces and proper ventilation. And then for the storage areas, the purpose is raw materials and finished product storage, and the requirements is temperature control environment. And the feature that we need is like proper shelving and also inventory management system. So that's it from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noorina Batrisha binti Sabri. My matrix number is FT30203. So I will continue from my part. So the 4 key activities, the first one is item improvement. In terms of fixing sourcing, recognize and source high quality pineapples and extra fixings such as sugar, pectin or additives. And then in terms of testing and quality information, conduct tests and shift life things about to guarantee item quality. Besides, which is bundling plan in terms of plan bundling, make alluring and useful bundling that reflects the brands and offer to buyers. And then in terms of labeling, guarantee names complete with nourishment controls and incorporate fundamental wholesome data, fixings and allergen notice. And next, showcasing technique in terms of digital promoting, utilize social media, websites and online advertisement to from mindfulness and advance the item. And then next, substance creation, create web journal, post recordings and formulas that consolidate the pineapple stick to lock in client. And then in terms of sales strategy, for distribution channels, identify and establish relationship with retailers, online marketplace and food service providers. And then in terms of pricing strategy, set competitive pricing based on market research and production costs. Next, for customer relationship, the first one is quality item confirmation. So in terms of tall measures, guarantee the pineapple stick is made from high quality fixings, emphasizing normal flavors and sound choices. And then in terms of straightforwardness, give clear data, approximately fixings, sourcings and generation strategies. And second, for customer feedback, in terms of overviews and audits, execute customer instruments to get indicators and range for enhancements. And then in terms of engagement, read to survey and comment, both positive and negative, to appear clients that their completion method. And then for instructive promoting, in terms of formulas, give formula taught on how to utilize pineapple stick, completely different dishes such as sweets, breakfasting or sauce. And then for in terms of dietary data, share the well-being benefits to pineapple and how they contribute to adjust count calories. And the last one, in terms of community engagement, for local events, participate in farmers markets, food fairs and local festivals to connect with the community. And then in terms of partnerships, collaborate with local business such as bakeries or cafe to create unique offering that feature the gem. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ishira binti Muhammad Afizi. My matric number is F22B0060. So I will present to you about business model canvas. So my part is customer segment. So the first one is retailers and customers. These retailers require high quality, shelf-stable product that appeal to a wide range of consumer. Number 2 is wholesale distributors. Distributors work with retailers and food service business. They require a steady supply of product that are in demand and sell well. For example, focus on scalability, reliable supply and competitive pricing. Number 3 is food service and provide for cafe, hotel and restaurant. Food service providers look for versatile ingredients that can be used in a variety of spreads, dessert, salad or as a topping. Number 4 is online retailers and e-commerce platforms. So number 1 is diverse audience. For example, they require product with appealing branding and online friendly supply chain that ensure timely delivery. Number 6 is health and wellness brands. We need and preference is brand that focus on health conscious consumer look for clean label, product with no preservative, artificial sugar or unhealthy additive. Food and beverage industry collaboration company in the F&B sector may look for unique ingredients to create limited edition product or seasonal offering. Number 8 is event organizer. So number 7 is event organizer. Event organizer might look for unique locally made product for conference, corporate gift or wedding favors. They seek high quality and beautifully packaged products. So number 8 is a small producers, for example local food market. We need to small scale local producer may want to incorporate pineapple jam into their own products, like using it as a key ingredient in food product or for local market. So for opportunity, especially for partnership for local production, supply pineapple jam as a base ingredient for local food makers who want to offer a unique product. The last one is support for small makers. Provide smaller batch or flexible packaging to meet the need of local producer who create jam, baked goods or other product using pineapple jam. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Fahdina Samiti Masudi. I want to present about cost structure. Okay, analysis. The cost structure of pineapple jam production involves assessing ingredient labor, packaging, overhead and marketing distribution expenses to determine profit potential. Ingredient costs include pineapple, sugar, lemon juice and preservatives. Totally RM2.90 per kilogram. Labor costs are RM20 per kilogram, reflecting time and effort. Packaging costs per jar RM1.20, maintaining quality. Overhead costs are RM0 per 18 cent per kilogram. For utilities and maintenance, marketing distribution expenses at RM0.18 per jar. The total production cost is RM23.16 per kilogram with a selling price of RM18 per jar for 23% profit margin. This cost analysis ensures sustainability and profitability in the market for pineapple jam production. That's all. Thank you. Okay, next for the revenue streams. For pineapple jams, productions include direct sales, retail partnerships, bulk sales, and subscription service. Direct sales involve farmers, markets, events, and online platforms. Retail partnerships with grocery store, specialty shops and cafes increase visibility. Bulk sales to restaurants, catering companies, and hotels are used in recipes. Subscription service offer convenience with monthly deliveries. This approach supports growth and established pineapple jam in the food industry. Thank you.